Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Well, I got to tell you, this is sort of fun, and I'm going to let you guys keep carrying it on. But as the venue, builds, oh my God, people are showing up back here. Yeah, the word's out on the street. The bouncer's out there. He's trying to regulate. So anyway, we got another one coming from you guys. Where are we headed?
This is a story about how we moved to Colorado once. This song's called West Sea. I'm gonna hit the road, pack up and grab my coat. I'm gonna pack my bags, Virginia's getting old. I'm headed straight to Colorado. I don't know if I'm ever coming back. Lord knows I could show tomorrow, but I seriously doubt that. Some people believe that I'm following you, but honey, it ain't true. I'm happy things went through, and now you're coming too. You got nothing to lose. The sun is shining on me. The birds are flying in the breeze. Blue skies and evergreen trees. I'm going out west to sea. True. I'm happy things went through, and now you're coming too. You got nothing to lose. The sun is shining on me. Trees. I'm going out west to sea. I'm headed straight to Colorado. I don't know if I'm ever coming back. Lord knows I could show tomorrow, but I seriously doubt that. The sun is shining on me. The birds are flying in the breeze. Blue skies and evergreen trees. I'm going out west. then I headed out west with my girl, the dogs, and all those things that fit best. All the things that fit best. Through Virginia on the way down the road, I drove the line and I had a heavy load. I had a heavy load. On down Interstate 64 into Tennessee to go and see more Smoky Mountains all around. On to Missouri now. I went to Springfield and caught 44, on down to Joplin, stop at some kind of store. I got what I paid for. We split to Kansas on old 66. We took the shortcut to get us through those winds and to see old friends. My, the drive just goes on. Down the road, the wheels turn on. Pretty soon it will be dawn, and in the morning we'll be gone. Western Kansas when the sun came up, when we saw the mountain, we could not get enough. We couldn't get enough. 2,000 miles and it's almost done. A couple more hours left on this 3-day run. On a 3-day run. On Interstate 25. Driving north a mile high, heading toward Wyoming's line. On a drive and doing time.
Yeah, boys.
Thank y'all.
Oh, that's lovely. That is lovely.